This is Patrick Law, the Glo-Bus champion, bringing another Glo-Bus tip. So an engineer comes to you and says, hey, I made this great camera. It's a PQ of 4.0 and it costs $178 to make. Another engineer comes to you and says, I also made a camera with a PQ of 4.0, but the cost of that one is only $146 per unit. Which one of these are you going to pick? Well, it makes sense that you would pick the one with $140 per camera, the cheaper one, because that's the cost that you have to pay as the entrepreneur. If you like, there's a free Glo-Bus spreadsheet in the description below. My daughter and I also do live Q&A sessions. To join us on the next one, see her Facebook page, How to Win Glo-Bus.